Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have missed you guys. I hope you guys have missed me too. I've been really trying to get back in the swing of filming, but I came down with a really bad cold, and on top of that, it's allergy season, so my allergies just really kicked in super hard. So I haven't been filming because with the cold I've had, it really has been triggering my asthma, so I've been all messed up. So I am back with a tutorial. As you can see, the curly wig is back. Not in this video, but I'm going to try to give you guys an update on this hair in the next video that I filmed. But this video is going to be on this really nice spring halo eye. And I pair with a dark metallic lip. I love this look and I hope you guys are loving it as well. I have a bunch of palettes on my table because I've recently purchased a crap ton of palettes. But don't worry, I will be doing tutorials and reviews on every palette that I've purchased as of late. If you follow me on Snapchat, then you know what all those palettes are. But these palettes in this video are going to be from the website called shophush.com. ShopHush has been everywhere, and no, this video is not sponsored. I purchased all these products, and these products were not sent to me. I purchased all these products on my own. I've been really interested in ShopHush, but kind of not interested because they do specialize in like dupe palettes, and they also have like other products on their website. But I wasn't really as interested in the website as a lot of other people. But when I saw these palettes, I just downloaded their app and was just scrolling on their website the other night, just seeing what I could see and seeing what I could find. And I went ahead. Sorry if I sound out of breath. Like I told y'all, with this cold, my asthma is like not with this cold. So I went on their website and I just checked out a few. I was scrolling the website and then I saw these 3 palettes and I was really intrigued by them. And the first 2 are the Amazonia and the Sahara palette. And these are supposed to be dupes for the Kylie Naughty and Nice palette. I did not pick those up, but I went ahead and got these. And these cost $12 each, but you get them both for $24, of course, in a bundle. But they had like 17% off, so I got them both in a bundle for $20. And the packaging feels like my higher end palettes. Like the packaging looks and feels like a higher end palette. The quality of these shadows, the quality of the mirror. First of all, it came in 2 days. I ordered Thursday evening. I got my package Saturday morning. Oh my god, like literally I was like, this is not a $12 palette. There's no way possible with this pigmentation, this quality, that these are $12 palettes. So this is the Sahara and it's like a more neutral palette, but these, I have no palettes like these in my collection. I have well over 50 eyeshadow palettes, okay? And I don't have anything like these in my collection whatsoever. I was really intrigued about the Amazonian because look at the color selection. I'm OD holding it upside down, but look at the color selection. Like, have you ever seen a palette with this color scheme before? Because I haven't. So I knew I really wanted this one. And who doesn't love a really nice neutral palette? Like that mustard yellow, this shimmery pink, that gold is beautiful, beautiful. Like, I was so impressed by the initial look, feel, and quality of these palettes that I was like, no way, no way. The pigmentation is sick. So in this video, I am using only the Amazonian, but if you guys want a video using the Sahara, there's a crap ton of videos with these palettes on YouTube. These 2 palettes are one of their most popular palettes. So a lot of videos have like swatches and like tutorials. But if you guys want me to do a tutorial using this palette, let me know, because in this video I'm only using this one. Toucan, which is that bright vivid orange, is one of my favorite shades. That and Passion Fruit. Passion Fruit is like so beautiful. Starbeam is really chunky and crumbly in the pan. But it went on okay. You just have to use it wet. This video will be a voiceover, so that's why I'm kind of explaining that now. But these palettes are way beyond a $12 price range. Way beyond. I recommend these 150%. And I also picked up and these are by Face Candy on ShopHush. and that they are cruelty free. And this is the Tease Me Palette by Beauty Creations. This palette is another really popular palette on shophush.com. And on Snapchat, I went ahead and swatched them. And these shades swatch so beautiful. The metallics in here are absolutely stunning. And this is supposed to be a dupe for the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. I think. I don't see it. I see some similarities, but not really. I mean, with some of the shimmers, maybe. But I kinda don't really see it. Or even with the Modern Renaissance, which is right here, I kind of don't really see that similarity much either. So I don't really know what this is supposed to be a dupe for, but maybe I have it, maybe I don't. I don't know. But this palette is really pretty as well. And if you guys want to video on this one, let me know. So yeah, this video will be a voiceover, so it's gonna be sped right on through. If you have any questions or anything I use, let me know. I will try my best to leave everything I have on my face in the description box. And like I said, I have to run out to work, so not this video, but hopefully the next video I film, I'll give you guys an update on this curly hair. This is my same Nadula curly hair that I had, but I just went ahead and added some blonde to it the other day because I was bored and I wanted to retire my red hair for a little bit. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys like this look because I really do like this look, and I like how I paired it with a really nice dark metallic lip. And I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I have missed you guys, and please subscribe before you leave. I am planning my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. We haven't reached 3,000 yet, but we're like right there. So once we hit 3,000, I will be doing a giveaway. So please stay tuned for that. I really want to try my best to incorporate these palettes into the giveaway because I feel like they're great quality and they're way beyond, like I said, for the price. The quality surpasses the price, and I'm impressed. So let me know what you guys think about that, if I should incorporate those in the giveaway. So I'm going to go ahead and get on out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one. Mwah. Alright guys, so I'm going to start with, of course, priming my eyes. And I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Primer Potion for that. The first shade I'm going to take is this vivid orangey red called Toucan. This is my favorite shade in the palette. I love bright colors like this, and it's a beautiful orangey red. It's like Rule by MAC. Not Rule. MAC makes a color that's similar to this. I can't think of what it is right now, but it's like that, but way more pigmented. I absolutely love this color. I'm going to apply that all over as my transition. And then I'm going to take the shade Dangerous, which is a vivid maroon. Like, oh my goodness. I feel like in the video it came up a little bit lighter because I applied it as like on top of like a lighter shade. So I feel like it didn't come up as vivid. But I want to try it again without doing that. But this shade is so pretty, but it is darker in the pan than it is on the eyes. And throughout the tutorial, you're going to see me constantly dip back into Toucan to make sure that I keep that color nice and vivid. And then I'm just taking some paint pot, and I'm just going to go ahead and prime the center of my lid. And then I'm going to take the shade Starbeam. This shade is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. It is chunky, but it's like a silver green with like a greenish undertone. It's so pretty. This shade is best used wet. But I'm going to apply that everywhere I put the paint pot, and I just felt like this is more like an iridescent, and I wanted something with a little bit more pop, and you'll see me go in with another shade just to achieve that. And then I'm going to take this shade, I think it's called Lust. I cannot remember at the moment, but I'm just going to apply that with my finger to center the lid. And this shade was so pretty. Now I'm just taking my Too Faced Hangover Primer. I'm going to prime my face. I'm not going to talk much during this part because you guys, I'm going to be filming a lot more Get Ready With Me. So after this, I don't really do anything differently. The products may change, but the way I do it doesn't. So I'm just taking my LA Colors foundation. I haven't used this in a couple weeks. And I'm going to just go ahead and use this all over the face. Yeah, I'm not going to talk much during this section. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? And now I'm just taking these 3 unique lashes that I found at the beauty supply store for $2.99 and applying them, and they're okay. They're nothing special. They're just okay. I don't believe they're made, but whatever. And now I'm just taking Toucan and I'm running that on the little lash line. And then I'm gonna take and then I'm gonna take Passion Fruit and run that to blend out Toucan. Those shades look so pretty together. And then from there, I'm gonna take a little bit of what's left on my brush from the shade Dangerous and run that along the lower lash line as well. And now I'm taking the shade Orchid and I'm just applying that to my inner corner, and it's just a matte white shade. And I'm taking my Color Rain highlighter in Your Treat. No, this is Watch Me Work. I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight. I'm feeling so hollow. Don't you know? And don't you know? I'm living in shadow. And then I'm taking my Juvia's Pastelical lipstick in Yoko, the metallic one. I have a video on these lipsticks. I'm gonna go ahead and link it. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this to my lips. And that is pretty much the look, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. I love you all, and I will see you guys in the next one.
Yes, I did.